JBC बलून क्राफ्टाची खाशेली कूपन ऑफर. स्क्रॅच करात आणि जिकात भांगर ते कार. एक्साइटिंग गिफ्ट्स जस्ट वन स्क्रॅच अवे. ऑफर कूपन काय वेंचीक स्टेशनरी स्टोरार उपलब्ध आसतले.
थँक यू व्हेरी मच फॉर कमिंग ॲट शॉर्ट नोटीस. पूण आतां पळयल्यार पेंजीम स्मार्ट सिटी वर्क खूब वर्सांक जालें, खूब रस्ते फोडले आनी खूब इशू येयले. एक तो बरो प्रोजेक्ट म्हणजे तो स्मार्ट सिटी नाल्यार ISP CDL जालोलो तो ग्रावंड जालोलो. पूण आतां 3 वर्सां जाले हो ग्रावंड उखडूकूच ना. तो 40,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर एरिया ground was developed. There is a football stadium, there is play area, there is walking area. So I would like to demand that this facility be made open to the people of Panjim. What are we waiting for? We have seen so many these projects which have been done with lot of money being spent just going to the dogs, that no maintenance, no one has used them. So my request is to whichever the authorities are there, whether smart city, whether CCP which I am part of, or any other authority which is in charge of this ground, to open it and make it open to the public.
Sir, have you raised this issue before mayor or commissioner?
So now, as you see, we have had one meeting in 3 months. So it is clear that the mayor is also moving on the ground. So we have decided to come out on the ground and take the issues and highlight them. We will be putting our letters, but these issues become more proactive only when the people are aware of it, and it is only through the medium of the media, I think, now that this awareness can be carried forward. So with that intention, I have called you all forward to pass this message around that this facility is there. This was supposed to be a model area which was developed. With great fanfare, this road was opened. But I cannot understand why a 40,000 square meter ground is still, area is still being left unused for 3 years. It will rot in no time, and then what we'll do? That the money will just disappear spent on this. The people will have no use for it.
Yeah, can you tell us more about this project? What was this initially proposed, and what games were supposed to be played? Any information on that?
So I don't have the earlier information. I've just seen now what I've taken rounds now and seen what has happened. One is there is a football stadium in the center. There is a play area for kids. There are walking tracks for everyone around. So it is a multi-purpose thing which when there are no football matches or practice is not going on, people can use it. It can be a recreation. If you see on the left hand side, there is a huge colony where largely people are senior citizens. Same thing applies for buildings here and colony. So it can be a great outing space for people who want to work in a safe environment to come out. We have also seen other facilities used for various purposes all over the world. Stadiums used for small concerts or big concerts. So this can be a multi-purpose recreation area for the people of Panjim as well as sports area. It is ridiculous that for 3 years it is not open.
Now that you highlighted this issue, what is the next step on this?
So since I have highlighted it, I would request you all to go and please speak to the authorities, whether Smart City or the mayor, on what is further action is on this. And then I will be, if action is not taken on this in a certain time, then I will try and gather citizens together and maybe we do a common citizens opening for this place and ask them to do it. That we find a way to enter this place somehow and say that it be used.
Do you think this is pending because the inauguration is not done? Inauguration
Firstly,
तुमचे व्हडली स्टेडियम उगडटा पळय व्हडलो मिनिस्टर पळय येता ते तोल्लो फंक्शन व्हडलो काय दिसना.
3 वर्सांक जायना म्हणजे कितें रे आवटेपणा मरे 3 वर्सां सगलें.
To my knowledge, it was done virtually by Union Home Minister.
So if it has been done virtually, then open the thing. What is stopping it from being open?
Do you have any idea whether this property belongs to TCP or any other department?
On the internet, I've read that the area belongs to the TCP, but I have not checked the documents over it.
Okay. So how many days ultimately we are giving to CCP?
I would like at least at the end of the monsoon, 60 days they should open it. Earlier better, but 60 days I think is a reasonable time for us to open this ground.
तुम्ही 60 days म्हणता, what is there for opening 60 days? It can open today only, no?
So I mean there is procedure. Ideally it should open today since it's not open for 3 years. But things take time, so let's at least give them.
त्याची मेंटेनन्स ऑलरेडी चलता. People are already working every day. They can see people coming and taking care of the. So what is stopping, you think?
I really don't know. I'll have to investigate that and let you know. On the maintenance, I am not sure that the internal parts are being maintained. If you can see, the grass has grown, this has grown. There is some other construction taking place here of the temple, which I think if the temple has to be made, is a good idea that it's shifted in an area where it's away from the traffic disturbance which is caused here. So that is the only work I've seen over here when I've roamed around. I've not seen people maintaining this part. I've seen it always locked. There is a, what do you call that? There is a Kadamba depot for electric bus charging over there, and there's a electricity substation at the back.
Was the ground used for to play?
I've never seen it played. But this used to be the parade ground where people used to just come and play. We used to play cricket here and the thing. It was always known as the parade ground, as a school. Child all our Republic Day parades were held here. Other functions.
गार्बेज फाईल पण झाले त्याचे.
Garbage pile झालेली.
आणि आता भुरग्यांचे त्यांनी हे केलं, थिंगा भुरगे पण येना थिंगा खेळपाक.
ना कोण येना. ती आनी एक ट्रेजिडी हा की काय बरें ते भुरग्यांचे ते प्ले एरिया केला विथ ब्युटिफूल बेंचेस, नायस टर्फ. ते सामकेंच उजार जावंक ना अजून पासून. कांयच उजार जावंक ना.
The voice for Koi.